we are going to start in.
Who is this guy doing this thing on the screen? Make sure maintain the decorum, otherwise I will remove you.
Napoleon Hill rightly said, your biggest opportunity may be right where you are now. A very good noon to one and all present here. This is Karuna Sharma, coordinator of UPSC Guidance Cell and your MC for the next few hours. I welcome you all to this orientation that aims to solve all your queries and inquisitiveness regarding ourselves. So, guys, as you all know, there are a great deal of people who aspire to get into civil services, but not all have the opportunities to avail the facilities of paid coaching. There comes our cell, UPSC Guidance Cell. Now, I would like to call Ms. Vanshika, who would be briefing you about the activities of the cell and its history. Vanshika,
Thank
over
you
to you.
thank you so much, Karuna. Okay, so now I'll tell you about the history of the cell. UPSC Guidance Cell was founded by Mr. Lakshay, the president of the cell, Mr. Saurabh, the vice president of the cell, with the aim to assist financially and socially unstable students. UGC is an initiative and one of a kind society of University of Delhi that aims to rationalize the laborious preparation journey of series aspirants who have set their hearts on civil services. Therefore, in this era of deception and trickery, we have started the cell mainly for university and college going students who can reap the benefits of getting all important resources absolutely free of cost. Now, I'll tell you about the cell. Next slide, please. Being a member of this cell, one is exposed to abundance of opportunities such as attending the engaging sessions with dignified personalities from the realm of civil services, to be a part of insightful study sessions on many important topics related to prestigious UPSC exam. Not just these, the members have multiple privileges at their disposal, which includes daily newspapers, both Hindi and English, The Hindu, The Indian Express, etc. Exciting quizzes, expert guidance on several crucial facts of the examination, giving you an edge over others. We also render them significant study material and resources in the form of PDFs and books covering the topics from several subjects like English, history, geography, political science, etc. This is how our cell helps the aspirants. Now, I would like to hand over to Supriya. Over to you, Supriya.
Thank you, Vanshika. Now I'll tell you about present scenario of the cell. Currently, our cell is operating on 4 social media platforms: Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and Twitter. where we connect with our UGC family and share our own newsletter Samarpan, which keep a vigil eye on current affairs, general knowledge, important and amazing facts. We also post inspiring reels, memes, quotes to keep our members motivated and reach the stars. Next slide. Here are some reels and memes of UPSC Guidance Cell.
टफ है यार, यूपीएससी का एग्जाम टफ है, सबको पता है यूपीएससी का एग्जाम। पर यूपीएससी इतना टफ एग्जाम क्यों लेता है? क्योंकि वो चाहता है कि प्रेशर आपका आदत बन जाए। ये जो प्रिपरेशन है ना, ये प्रेशर को लाइफस्टाइल का पार्ट बना दे। विपासना से शुरू नहीं होता यूपीएससी का ट्रेनिंग, यहाँ से शुरू होता है, प्रिपरेशन से। बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का काम है गाइस, क्योंकि आपको दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी और सबसे कॉम्प्लेक्स डेमोक्रेसी की बात को समझ।
Next slide.
So guys, now it's time to make you aware about the departments of our cell. So there are basically 3 departments that constitute our cell. First is content department. So yeah, content department is very lively department of our cell, and individuals who can express themselves in words freely are the one who rules here. The main idea of the content department is to write, editing, research, and ideation. They find the best content and curate it in a manner conceived by all. Now, our digital head, Supriya, would be coming and telling you about the digital department.
The digital department is dominated by tech-savvy individuals, and works of digital departments are designing posters for our events and social media handles, and creating videos and editing videos.
So I would like to tell about marketing department. This department focus on advertising posts, reels, and sell important information of the cell to reach up the masses. This department also brings funds from sponsorship campaign, pitching speakers for events, getting sponsorships, developing contacts, raising funds. That's it about marketing department.
We conduct various competition and events to allow the members to explore their skills. Recently, we celebrated Khushiyon Ka Tyohar Week on the occasion of Diwali, which included innovative competition like debate, speech, guess the picture, etc. We also hold webinars and seminars which imparts great learning to the members of our cell. Now, I would like to invite Adib Khan and Khushi to share their experience of participating in our events. Adib, are you there?
जी, दिखाई दे रहा हूँ मैं?
Yeah, you are.
Yes, हाँ.
जी, नमस्कार आप सभी को। सबसे पहले मेरी तरफ से आप सभी लोगों को नए वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं। पिछले 2 साल 2020 और 2019 हम सबके लिए बड़े मुश्किल रहे, खास करके कोरोना की वजह से। तो हुआ ये कि स्कूल भी रुक गए, कॉलेज भी बंद हो गए और एक ऑनलाइन शिक्षा का दौर आ गया। उसमें जो सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल मुझे लगता है कि युवाओं के लिए आई थी कि वो उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिल नहीं रहा था कि आखिर वो अपनी बात कहाँ पर रखें। तो ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म आपने दिया, एक मंच दिया कि जहाँ पर आकर के लोग अपनी बात रख रहे हैं, युवा अपनी बात रख रहे हैं, या जो अलग अलग तरह की आपने प्रतियोगिता करवाई, तो उससे एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा आत्मविश्वास बढ़ा। मैंने कई वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया जो आपके द्वारा करवाई गई। उसमें हुआ ये कि एक तो हमको सीखने को बड़ा कुछ मिला। जब बैठ करके 10-12 लोग बात करते हैं, 15-20 लोग बात करते हैं, और एक अच्छी चीज़ ये हुई कि जब हम अगर हमारे शहर में ही कोई वाद विवाद की प्रतियोगिता हो या कोई अन्य प्रतियोगिता हो, हम वहाँ पर जा करके अगर अपनी बात रखते हैं तो वहाँ पर ज़्यादातर होता यह है कि लोकल वहीं के लोग होते हैं, हम आपस में बात रखते हैं अपनी। पर इसके द्वारा ये हुआ कि लगता था मानो पूरा भारत एक जगह पे आकर के रुक गया है। कोई महाराष्ट्र से था, कोई मध्य प्रदेश से था, कोई पंजाब से, हरियाणा से, और हर कोई अपनी बात रख रहा था। एक सीमा को कहीं ना कहीं खत्म कर दिया गया कि ये गांव का, ये शहर का, या ये इस प्रदेश का है, ये बड़े महानगर का है। तो वहाँ पे अलग अलग लोगों की राय जानने का मौका मिला। तो इसके लिए आप सभी लोगों को शुक्रिया। और इसी तरह से आप अपना ये जो मंच है इसको आगे बढ़ाते रहिए। पिछले बार जो आखिरी बार एआई के ऊपर में एक डिबेट हुई थी, उसमें मुझे याद है कि एक लड़की थी, उसका मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ क्या था। डिबेट एआई के ऊपर में थी, पर उसने शायद तक ऑनलाइन शिक्षा के ऊपर अपनी बात रख दी थी। बात जो पूरी डिबेट में उसने वही बात की, पर किसी ने भी उसको रोका नहीं, उसको टोका नहीं, क्योंकि वो इतने बेहतर ढंग से अपनी बात को रख रही थी, जो बोल रही थी, लोग उसको सुन रहे थे, क्योंकि इसके अंदर में आत्मविश्वास था। तो मैं आप सभी लोगों से यही चाहता हूँ, जो लोग अभी तक आपके साथ में नहीं जुड़े हैं या जो जुड़ना चाहते हैं, कि लोग बोलना सीखें। अगर बोलेंगे तो देश आगे बढ़ेगा। मुझे याद आता है कि महात्मा गांधी जी एक बार आए थे, एक स्टेशन में आकर के रुके थे। उसके कुछ दिन पहले ही भगत सिंह को फांसी हुई थी। तो कई युवा एकत्रित हुए थे उस स्टेशन में महात्मा गांधी को काले झंडे दिखाने के लिए, ये सोचकर कि अगर महात्मा गांधी चाहते तो भगत सिंह की फांसी रुकवा सकते थे, पर उन्होंने नहीं रुकवाई। तो काले झंडे महात्मा गांधी को वो उस रेलवे स्टेशन में दिखाए गए। कई लोगों ने उन युवाओं को रोकने की कोशिश की कि आप काले झंडे मत दिखाइए, पर महात्मा गांधी ने मना कर दिया। कहा कि इनको दिखाने दो काले झंडे, इनको बोलने दो, क्योंकि अगर भारत का युवा बोलेगा जो उसको लगता है, जो उसकी राय है, तो उससे भारत आगे बढ़ेगा। तो आज जरूरत है कि युवा बोले। आज जरूरत है कि अगर देश में महात्मा गांधी की विचारधारा को खत्म करने की कोशिश हो रही है तो उसके खिलाफ भी बोले। जो लगता है बोले, सामने आए और अपनी बात रखे। अगर राजीव गांधी आए, राजीव गांधी ने कंप्यूटर क्रांति लेकर के आए, तो उनको यह था कि अगर युवा के हाथ में कंप्यूटर आएगा और उसके बाद में इंटरनेट का जो भारत में प्रचार प्रसार हुआ, एक बड़ी ताकत है। और आज के अगर वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी भी ये बात कहते हैं कि भारत देश युवाओं का सबसे ज्यादा युवा यहाँ पर है। तो इसको समझने की आवश्यकता है कि युवाओं के पास में बड़ी ताकत है। अगर वो बोलेंगे, अगर वो अपनी आवाज रखेंगे, तो एक बल मिलेगा हमको भी और देश को भी, आगे भी। तो और अगर आप इसी तरह से मंच उपलब्ध करवाते रहेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह बहुत तेजी से आप भी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और आगे बढ़े और हमको भी आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिलेगा। तो एक और बार बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और धन्यवाद। खास करके लक्ष्य भाई को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, जिनके मतलब कि क्या कहें, जिनके हौसलों से ये चीज अभी आगे बढ़ रही है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Adit. Khushi, are you there? Khushi?
I guess she might have some network issues. Let's move on then. So, guys, now it's time to meet our core team members. First of all, I would like to call the person who saw this majestic vision and the spearhead of this society. Guys, please welcome the founder and president of the cell, Mr. Lakshya.
Hello guys, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So I would like to welcome you all to the orientation program. I am thinking that you all are enjoying this program very much, and I hope that you love to join our cell also, because I think that it's a cell that has been grown so far in the last years, and we have been conducting many events, many uh, motivation programs, so that main UPSC aspirants can get motivated and get clear set of an aim to clear the UPSC. So yeah, that's all from my side, and I hope that you all fill the form of recruitment, and we'll meet you soon in the interview session. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshya. Now I would be calling the vice president of the cell, Mr. Saurabh, to address the gathering.
Hello guys, is I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are
Hello.
audible.
Okay. Hello guys, myself Saurabh Sharma. I am president BCom and I am vice president of the UPSC guidance cell. So first of all, I thank you all to show your interest toward our cell, and I hope UPSC guidance cell is helpful for you all, and also you improve yourself. And if you're doing a UPSC preparation, so it will be helpful for you. Thank you. This from me. Thank you.
Please welcome Shantanu Rastogi, the joint secretary of the cell.
Hello everyone, this is Shantanu. I am the second year student in Delhi University, and currently I am pursuing BCom honors from Sri Aurobindo College. Very looking forward to work with all of you who are going to join this cell. Thank you so much.
Yeah, next is Mr. Shreyansh, general secretary of the cell. He's not here. Then we have the coordinator of the cell, Pankaj Rathod. I guess he's also not here. Next we have is Karuna. That's me, the coordinator of the cell. Hello guys, this is Karuna, and I'm pursuing my honors degree from Daulatram College, University of Delhi. And I really enjoy to be a part of this cell, and I will recommend it to you all to become a part of this cell. You will really enjoy it and see your personal growth happening in few days. Thank you. Next we have is the heads of the cell. First of all, I would like to call Vanshika, the marketing head of our cell.
Thank you so much, Karuna. So, hello everyone. This is Vanshika, and I'm the marketing head of UPSC Guidance Cell. And currently, I'm pursuing BCom Honors from Daulatram College. And thank you so much. That's it from my side.
Next, we have is Supriya Chaurasia, the digital head of the cell.
Hello guys, this is Supriya Chaurasia, head of digital department of UPSC Guidance Cell. Currently, I am pursuing BSc Maths Honors from Dayal Singh College and I am in second year. I hope you all are excited to work with our cell. Thank you so much.
Next, we have is Shyam Mishra, the content head. Okay, let's move on to the members then. These are the members of the cell. I would like to call Mr. Amit Kumar. Okay, so next we have is Ishant.
Hello everyone. I'm audible, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, you are audible,
yes,
Ishant.
you are.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Hello everyone. Myself Ishan and I'm pursuing my BA Sanskrit honors from Deshbandhu College. Thank you.
Sanjana, you may go on with.
क्लास दो एक मीटिंग है ऐसे यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन के लिए जूम पे ऐसे ऑनलाइन मीटिंग होती है
Vijay, are you there? Fine, let's change the slide. They are not here, I guess. Guys, we have an important announcement for you, which will be done by the Vice President of the cell, Mr. Saurav.
Hello. Okay. So as stated earlier, we will be revealing the date of the interview in the orientation program. So here we are. So basically interview held in a 2 rounds. So first round will be held on 15 to 16 January. Okay, so in this round we allot you a time slab, and in this time slab you want to be joined in the meeting, and in which meeting you have to give your interview. And final round we will held on the 23rd January 2020. So this is a final round, and those who select in the first round, so give a final interview on a 23rd round, and we after that we release your result on our website and our Instagram handle and other social media handles. So thank you guys. So that's about our interview.
Guys, there is an important announcement too, that we are opening a window for those students who have not yet filled the recruitment form. You have the last day today, that is 2nd January, to fill the form. The link of the forms will be shared to you on your WhatsApp group. So stay connected. Thank you. Those students who have doubt, just mention your name in the chat box, means your doubts in the chat box. We will cover it up. Guys, the type of questions will be so general and that will be relating to your life. So don't worry, it will be the normal questions that that an interview asks to the interview. Okay. Yeah, Asta, you are eligible to get the study materials. We will add you in the official group there, where we share all the study materials, notes, etc. No, no, no. You should not have any subjective knowledge for the interview. It will be the basic questions.
You just have to have knowledge of the department you are going for.
Yeah.
No question regarding a particular subject.
Yeah, anyone can join our official group, whether he is from DU or not. We will provide you the official group link. You can join from it there, and we will share all the updates about our events and newspapers, new notes, etc. on that group. Okay, Tamanna, we will consider it.